Greetings, my name is Sean. Hey, my name is Sean, and I just graduated from Tampines Junior College. I want to be an SUTD and help build the world of the future. And I want to take my place in the world. Well, I bet you can't do robotics like me. Impressive, but I bet you can't rock climb like me. Okay, so both of us are all-rounded in terms of sports and technological expertise. What do we lack? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Well, I think that technology will bring about a phenomenal change in mankind's life, and therefore I want to be a part of it, and a place to acquire these skills and this technological expertise will be in SUTD. Wow, seems like you have loads of interest in the technology and design aspect, but do you possess the qualities to undertake these courses? Yeah, of course. I possess the analytical skills to solve problems that are technologically related, and the drive to not merely accept ideas, but also to question them and improve on them. I believe in team spirit, and most importantly, the spirit of sharing the knowledge I've learned. Okay, calm down. You're making this sound like an interview. I admit you're the better Sean, so I'm gonna wish you all the best in going to SUTD. Thank you.